To add multiple videos to Instagram Reels. Start by opening the Instagram app and navigating to the Reels section. Tap the plus icon to begin creating a new reel. Select the video icon from the bottom navigation bar to access your camera roll. Choose the first video you want to add to your reel by tapping on it. You can then trim the video to your desired length by dragging the sliders at the bottom of the screen. After selecting and trimming your first video, tap the Add Media button to include additional videos in your reel. This will take you back to your camera roll where you can choose the next video you want to add. Repeat the process of selecting and trimming each video until you have added all the videos you want to include in your reel. Once you have added all your videos, you can edit them together by adding music, filters, and text. Tap the music icon to add a soundtrack to your reel, and choose from a wide range of songs and audio tracks. You can also add filters and effects to your videos to make them more engaging and visually appealing. Use the text icon to add captions and subtitles to your reel, making it easier for your viewers to understand the content. After editing your reel, tap the share button to post it on your Instagram account. You can also save your reel as a draft to post it later or share it with your friends and family through direct messages. By following these steps, you can create engaging and interactive reels with multiple videos, music, and effects, and share them with your audience on Instagram.